Vikramaditya Motwane's adaptation of O. Henry's The Last Leaf, Lutera flows like poetry and carries an aura of a classic. This historical romance starring Ranveer Singh and Sonakshi Sinha is an underrated gem in which silences speak more than words. Lutera essentially was the movie that brought to fore Ranveer's talent with his nuanced act, and in Sonakshi we found her career best performance as she stole every frame in this slow-burning romance. Even as we watch it sitting back at our homes, Lutera will take you to places with its subtonic dialogues, ethereal cinematography, and intoxicating soundtrack. Lutera is available on Netflix. Meri Pyari Bindu. This Ayushmann Khurrana Parineeti Chopra starrer is just the perfect blend of nostalgia, yesteryear's music, first love, leaving us in the quaint world of typewriters and mixtapes. This rom-com has Ayushmann playing the besotted lover, always trying to make sense of the love that refuses to leave him, and Parineeti playing the boisterous rock star of her own world. What makes this bittersweet love story this good is that it has the audacity to show love and life in its all different shades, and the ending that is both flippant and graceful. Meri Pyari Bindu is available on Amazon Prime Video. Laila Majnu. The classic Persian tale of love, tragedy and madness has been recreated in many renditions over time. But Sajid Ali ने सेट किया है इस rendition को in the heavenly Kashmir Valley with the classic Imtiaz Ali touch in this Avinash Tiwari Tripti Dimri starrer. There's every cliched element in this doomed romance. There's love at first sight, hostility, refusal, families of opposition, melancholy and unwavering love. But each of them with its share of madness. Leaves to say, this movie will linger on with you days after you've experienced it. Laila Majnu is available on ZEE5. Dam Laga Ke Haisha. This national award winning drama 90s के हरिद्वार के छोटी छोटी गलियों में सेट है, जहां पर आयुष्मान प्लेस प्रेम, एक हाई स्कूल ड्रॉप आउट जिनकी फोर्सफुली शादी हो जाती है with overweight भूमि पेडनेकर. While Prem fails to look beyond her weight, इन दोनों की लव स्टोरी शुरू होने से पहले ही खत्म हो जाती है. What makes this romance special is the old world charm, subtle comedy and the delightful detailing that it has. Dam Laga Ke Haisha is available on Amazon Prime Video. Photograph. Following up with his acclaimed film The Lunchbox, global director-writer Ritesh Batra has cooked a low-key romance devoid of the over-romanticism of Bollywood. Lowly street photographer Rafi, played by Nawazuddin Siddiqui, and an aspiring chartered accountant Miloni, played by Sania Malhotra, meet in an awkward encounter and later pretend to be a couple for Rafi's grandmother's sake in this one. A picture is worth 1,000 words, and the same can be said about this one, where silence take over the unsaid words. Photograph is available on Amazon Prime Video. Hasi To Fasi. This movie by all means is the perfect definition of a rom-com, constantly entertaining you throughout its runtime. While Siddharth Malhotra plays an idealistic guy trying to keep his life together, Parineeti Chopra on the other hand plays a manic pixie dream girl who is on antidepressants and drugs. Replete with quips and quirks, this one will essentially serve you laughs and entertain you with the quintessential Bollywood charm. Hasi To Fasi is streaming on Netflix and Amazon Prime Video. Her. Long before Joaquin Phoenix took the world by storm with his stellar act in Joker, he delivered an equally powerful act in this dystopian romantic drama. Phoenix plays Theodore, a lonely man who falls in love with his operating system, and thereon digital affairs get intense, sensual and heartbreaking for real. He can only listen to the operating system, voiced by the amazing Scarlett Johansson, who becomes his lifeline, saving him from his own solitude. The best part about this one is how unreal yet humanly this is. Her is streaming on Netflix. Blue Valentine. If you're in a mood to shed a few tears watching a romance blossom and fail, then this movie is definitely your pick. Starring Ryan Gosling as Dean and Michelle Williams as Cynthia, this movie follows a couple stuck in a broken marriage. Throughout the non-linear narrative, viewers travel karte rahenge back and forth in their love story that was once too sweet, and now we secretly hope for them to be apart for the better. This story is an out-and-out raw emotional experience that leaves bruises after viewing. Blue Valentine is available on Netflix. Before Sunrise. The first installment of the Before trilogy follows Jessie, a young American who gets enamored by a French woman Celine after spotting her on a train journey. This trilogy unarguably marked the most definitive departure from the notion of romantic films for Hollywood and beyond. Gaining a classic status much after its release, Before Sunrise is that ideal first-rate film which is devoid of any drama and the usual tropes of a romantic film. Sure to leave a lasting impact, this one's a must-watch if you're tired of the soppy, formulaic love stories. Before Sunrise is available on Netflix. Eternal Sunshine of the Spotless Mind. In this timeless film, Joel, played by Jim Carrey, and Clementine, played by Kate Winslet, choose to erase their memories of each other soon after a distressing breakup, only to meet and fall for each other once more. The newfound experiment goes haywire, leaving Joel reliving both blissful and lovelorn flashbacks, making him realize that he doesn't want her to go and that he should save her from the erase hunt. This one is the perfect ode to the bittersweet memories of a relationship. Eternal Sunshine of the Spotless Mind is available on Netflix.